And we're live. Welcome back to this 5-Minute Friday, this short show where I try to answer a question regarding freediving within 5 minutes, if possible. There's something changed here? No, that's all good. Today's question is, are short freediving fins good enough? The answer is, it depends, as always. That's sort of the standard answer, isn't it? Okay, here I have an example. This is the freediving fin that I'm using for everything, or have been using for, I don't know how long, 1.5, 2 years maybe, for everything. What does it mean short? So freediving fins are usually about maybe this long, huh? So the long fins have their name for a certain reason. And I would call it a mega trend in the freediving industry that all of a sudden fins come much shorter. And the question is then, well, do they still serve the same purpose? And there we are in the middle of the topic. For my purpose as an educator, when I'm in the water, I'm either having fun, going for bring a camera or just do some light training for myself, or I'm teaching or I'm observing. And for that purpose, this is the best fin I have ever tried, ever owned. And I went through quite a few of these fins, including high performance fins, which are built for maximum performance. I've seen top-level safety diver using these fins in international competitions, and they say they serve the same purpose there, which is maybe to some quite surprising. Why? The thing is this: we maybe would assume a shorter fin has less propulsion, and that's maybe not exactly true. It might be a little less efficient. So to go for your personal best dive when you are doing considerable depth or distances, I certainly would recommend to stick to a normal length fin. But for almost every other purpose, where you don't need the maximum efficiency, what matters way more there is, can you get the power with these fins like back that you need for a certain purpose. So in my case, I have to be able to navigate quickly, and in the worst case, to jump in and stop someone, stop a free diver, or even bring him up in a rescue scenario. And the same applies for a rescue diver. And the fascinating thing is, yes, you need to put a little more power into these to get the same speed, so they are less efficient. But if you put your power in there, it will come back. So these fins are maybe not as efficient, but very, very effective. I have no problem doing the same depth dives, because I'm not diving to competition depths with these fins as I can do with long fins. And especially when I'm demonstrating, for example, rescue exercises, I have the same result there with such fins. So that is what matters to me, and I guess that's what matters for most of you guys, to have a fin that works in every situation and has then many other advantages. And the obvious one is this fin goes not exactly in my hand luggage, but for sure in my check-in suitcase once we're traveling again. And it's just goes in there, it's no problem. Those of you who have tried to pack long fins for traveling, either you have your own fin bag or you have to disassemble them and hope that you have enough space then in your suitcase and so on. These, they just go in and I forget about them. So traveling with them is so much easier. The other thing is what the connected question to that is often the foot pocket. So this is a standard foot pocket, which I'm just lucky that it fits me very well. If you don't find the standard foot pocket that fits you very well, always go one size bigger and use 1 mil or 3 mil neoprene socks to make them fit. But maybe another option is to get a custom foot pocket. So these fins can also be ordered with a custom foot pocket. So you measure your own foot to so you get then like a really slick designed foot pocket, and it will fit your foot much better, which is sometimes necessary for those who have very special ratio of how long your foot is, how wide and how high. I don't need it. For me, maybe it's because I'm just lucky, but if it's something that bugs you, a good fit, try the custom foot pockets. So there are fins of short fins. As I said, it's a mega trend, and I guess every company that produces fins has nowadays their own version of a short fin. This is a carbon short fin from Molchanov's. I put the link in the description of this video, and you can use my affiliate code there to get a bit of a discount. But this is I pay for my own equipment. That is also important to say in full disclosure. And for me as a professional, as an instructor, it doesn't really matter that I pay for that, because this is an investment in what I do. And I'm very happy when I get then a product or a thing that works for a long extended time. And even though you see that it's scratched or so, but that doesn't affect the usability of the thing, of this fin, particular fin for me. So if you want to give it a go, try short fins. Put them to the test. Go as fast as you can, go as hard as you can, do a rescue, bring up the bottom weight from 15 meters, and you will realize, okay, that will work. And I hope it will work also for you. So that was another 5-minute Friday, only almost made it in 5 minutes. So thank you very much for that interesting question, and I hope to see you on the next Friday.